Welcome back to Sunset Slimes. I have these two very old slimes, and shout out to Peachy Babies for this really good idea. So let's open these. I'm gonna mix these because, this one is way too gluey, as you can see. So we're gonna pour this a little bit each time for a little bit, and I'm gonna keep adding more of this glue. So now I'm finishing mixing the slime. Now I'm going to add some clay to make this like a butter slime kind of. Add some more clay. And then I'm going to mix, I guess, because that's how you make a butter slime. So I'm just hoping this works nicely and it turns into a good butter slime. The texture right now is really nice, guys, but it doesn't look very good. I don't think this turned out as I wanted it to, but we can try this again next time. And I think maybe next time we can make it better. Bye!